Alright guys, we're back with another video, and today we are heading to Boca Raton, Florida. I got a call from a customer saying that their camera system stopped working. All they did was change internet provider and the system just stopped working. But when I got there, it looked like somebody was trying to troubleshoot and they unplugged everything, put them in wrong areas, wrong switches, stuff like that. But you know, ISP is here. And not only that, the customer said that he tried other companies to see if they could come and fix it. Nobody could figure it out. So he was happy when I came and we got it going. Alright. At first I asked the customer how many cameras he had. He said 4. So, you know, I'm troubleshooting for 4 cameras, but then I'm looking, I'm like, something not adding up. You know? Like something not adding up. So I'm like, nah, you got 5 cameras. And I was like, nah, I got 4. I'm like, nah, you got 5. So I found a 5th wire, I'm like, nah, something ain't right. There's a camera hiding somewhere. So I started looking, found the other camera. They actually had 6 cameras. All along, the customers didn't know that they had 6 cameras. So we got all 6 cameras working. Customer was happy. Oh, and another thing, they have the system hooked up to a small TV in the office, and then it was also hooked up to the main TV in the living room, big TV, and it wasn't working anymore. When I looked, they have an HDMI splitter, and it wasn't hooked up correctly either. So it was just a lot of stuff that I guess someone trying to troubleshoot and it just went wrong. But I was glad I was able to fix everything. Customer is happy, and this is why you choose ISP Repair and Electronic Services, guys. I mean, we have the experiences. We connect with most of the different companies: Hikvision, Avycon, Uniview, you know. We have more out there. At the end of the day, all the camera systems, they basically work the same as long as you know how to do what you do. So here are all 6 cameras on the small TV in the office. And then I'm going to show you, this is the main TV in the living room. Got that working on there too. Boom. Everything is up and running. Guys, just subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know how you like my videos.